Gusto mo ba ng bigger lot at floor area na perfect investment for your future? Para sa'yo ang Maya Solo 3BR with fence and gate ng Fiesta Communities Abukay. May 88 square meters na lot area, 66.50 square meters na floor area, at carport with cover pa. May magandang living area, malawak na dining area, at maaliwalas na lanay kung saan pwede mong ma-enjoy ang iyong morning coffee. Accessible ang kitchen area. At first bathroom sa ground floor. Sigurado ka sa tibay ng concrete stairs at metal railings. Sa second floor naman, makikita ang pangalawang bathroom. Sakto at komportableng first bedroom. Malawak na second bedroom. At mas malaki at maaliwalas na master's bedroom. Kayang-kaya mo nang magkabahay sa Fiesta Communities Abukay. No down payment at madali lang ang payment terms with Pag-ibig Fund. Talaga namang swak sa design, swak sa location at swak sa budget.